Hello, good evening, and welcome back to Adventure Times. Today, as you can see in the background, we're staying at the Alton Towers Resort Hotel. Show
Let's
you.
go see our room.
Yeah. Here is the entrance, and I believe we just have to go to these kiosks with our 2D barcode that Hayley's got. So we've already checked in on the app. Hayley just needs to do pick up my key. She's got a QR code and she needs to scan. There we go.
So you're busy here tomorrow, but not the first day. Busy here tomorrow. Tomorrow should be fine.
And we've got the Arctic Explorer room for one night. So as you just see, you just scan that 2D barcode and then it prints you a card that Hayley's got in her hand. I'll show you in a minute. It's quite good. The only thing is, it comes up, it gives you your room number. Now, unless you know the layout of the hotel, which we don't, you kind of need a bit of help, which we asked the bloke. And
To be fair, there is somebody always there to help you. He asked us a couple of times to make sure that we were okay.
it was
So
good.
it was really easy process.
It was. Oh, the theming for a corridor.
That's because they're staying in the Arctic.
Ooh.
So hopefully it's got aircon and it's cold.
You never know. There may even be some penguins in there. Imagine that, just some penguins flipping around in your room. 236, keep going. Here we go, here's the moment of truth. We get our first sign. Looks of the room. Here we go. Oh, wow, very nice, very fancy. Very fancy. Oh, and a big polar bear. No penguins, just a polar bear. And we also were a little bit cheeky, weren't we, Hayley?
We were.
We also upgraded. I say upgraded. We also brought the package. What was the package called, Hayley?
The family treat package, I think.
So it is a little bit pricey. I think it's about 30 to 40
It was
quid.
£40, but you get 2 pots of Pringles, 2 chocolate bars,
Glass of
a
rosé.
rosé, a Budweiser, some sweets, Cadbury 12 bites, 2 different bags of popcorn. So you've got salted caramel and chocolate, and then 2 Capri Suns.
Very nice. Very, very nice. The only shame thing is they're not cold. There's no fridge. Never mind.
Yeah.
Unless there's a fridge in here. We'll give you a quick... So there's a tea and coffee. Toilet light. There we go. There's the toilet. Nice sink. It's got a nice bath. Themed on the walls. Yeah, it's okay.
And it comes with 2 bottles of shampoo and some soap.
So we're just going to head over to the Splash Landings to have a look at the water park. But there's a connecting corridor from the Alton Towers Hotel to the Splash Landings Hotel, which is just to the left of the reception, isn't it, Hayley?
Yes. Which I would like to point out that we are staying in the Arctic rooms, but this isn't our corridor. Our corridor is the other side.
The other side. It is signposted, so it's that way. As you'll see, it's there. And most things you'll find on the app anyway, but just love to go explore. Here's the famous switch, the carpet from the Alton Towers Hotel into Splash Landing of the sand in the sea.
The grab.
And the grab.
I'm jealous.
It's very clever.
It's very fresh.
Very, very warm in here. I believe they have 3 slides here.
Yeah, something like that.
It's 3 or 4 slides. I know, obviously, you've got the coaster there, sort of. There is like your water coaster, water ride, and then I think they've got like 2 other rapid sort of slides with. Oh yeah, there's one there actually outside. As they've also got an indoor and an outdoor, which is quite clever. I don't know if the outdoors will be open tomorrow because we've heard that the weather might be a bit dodgy, which is a shame because we've been loving temperatures of about 28 and it's about 48 degrees in here currently. It is roasting. But yeah, looking forward to getting in there tomorrow and seeing what it's all about. We've never done it before. Right, good morning. We're the next day. We're just heading down to breakfast. Did you have a good sleep, Hayley?
Not really.
It's not very soundproof, was it?
No.
There were people having showers and stuff in the mornings. And...
So, yeah. Your room's not soundproof at all. You hear people down the corridors, water running, creaky pipes.
Yeah, we're just heading to Flambeur's restaurant for some breakfast.
Flambo Jambos.
Flambo Jumbos, is that what it's called? I don't know.
Come with us and see what it's like.
Yes. Did you enjoy breakfast?
Yeah.
Very busy, wasn't it? It was quite busy.
It was busy, quite overwhelming, but the food was nice.
Yeah, the food was just a normal breakfast buffet. I didn't get many shots of it because it was quite busy. But yeah, just overlooking the water park, which we'll be going in within the next hour and a half. But
only the outside bit will be open.
yeah, it's raining quite heavily here at Alton Towers today. As you can tell from my glasses steaming up, we're now heading off to the water park. We just checked out from our hotel room. We'll let you know what it's like when we come out.
So we got home and realised that we completely forgot to do an outro. So in terms of the Alton Towers Hotel, the room was nice. Would I say it's worth the price that they're charging? Probably not. I mean, if you were going for a treat and you wanted something rather than just a standard room, sure, go for it.
Or if you want a few beers at the park or at the hotel and you need to stay over, it's okay. But
then I wouldn't necessarily pay for a themed room. I would go for a standard room. If the price is right, then go for it. But in terms of full
Friday,
price,
I think you get some good deals.
Yeah, in terms of full price, I wouldn't jump at a themed room again, unless it was like one of the deluxe ones. I'd love to try a Smiler one, but that's a hell of a lot more. That's more like the £400 range. And in terms of the water park,
we had a good day actually because they opened all the slides. All slides were open.
All slides were open. And
the outdoors.
Yes, we didn't think they would open the outdoor bit because they said it only opens on peak times. Which when we went, it was peak, but it was also raining. But it was warm and raining. So they opened it. And for me, that was a breath of fresh air because I love rain. I'm weird. Sorry. I love rain, but I also love like being outside. Like in that... like in a water park or whatever, I prefer to be outside than inside because I don't like getting hot. I can't handle heat. So to be able to go outside and have the refreshing air and the rain, it was good. Really relaxing, and not a lot of people were outside, so it was a lot less busy outside.
And the outdoor pools are heated.
They are heated, yes.
So you don't get cold.
Yes. The one thing that we did notice though that isn't very clearly signposted is the side that comes into the outside pool, you have to enter from the inside of the water park. So
yeah, it's not very easy to find.
Oh yeah, so in terms of changing rooms and stuff like that, it was very good. They've got a lot of changing rooms, they've got showers, they've got like personal showers as well, so if you don't want to like rinse off in the public bit, you can just have a proper shower in within the toilets. In terms of your lockers, it's 20p, I believe, if I remember rightly. It's 20p. If you don't have change, they will give you change at the reception. And they are kind of like the old school lockers where you get the wristband with the key. So, but yeah.
Ride access as well. Let's just touch on that. Although we didn't do it.
Yeah, so we didn't use ride access purely because I didn't want to do any of the slides. But there is ride access on the rides. I'm not sure how it works. Obviously, we didn't do it. But Chris
they seem to have like wristbands. So I guess when you go down to the
reception,
you go to the reception. I guess you ask there and show them your rat pass.
And also in terms of ride access, that also comes with the carer ticket. So if you are a access card user, even if you don't have a ride access within the park, if you are a access card holder and it says +1 on it, remember to get your carer ticket, which is free. Obviously you just pay for the disabled guest, and then yeah,
so with that, we did have a good day though.
it was a very good day.
It was a good day.
I loved the water park. I will do it again. Although some people have said that you can get cheaper prices on the day if you don't pre-book, but
Don't know how
we
true that is.
don't. Yeah, like I say, we don't
Can't
know how true
confirm.
that is. But yeah,
Good
I
fun.
would highly recommend it.
Definitely. I'm glad I've done it.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
So that being said, if you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe, comment below, and we never say this, but hit the notification bell so you can
Do it.
see the next time our faces
We know
are on your
97%.
screen.
We know 97% of you aren't subscribed. We can see it. Subscribe, please.
Bye.
Bye.